Local municipalities formed in 1999 are blocked from participating effectively in state governance, announced the National Forum on Institutional Problems of Municipalities. Rufshan Agayev of the Alliance of NGOs for the Development of Municipalities presented a comprehensive report on the status, authority, and financial capacities of municipalities. According to him, local municipalities have very limited authority, which contradicts the principles and requirements of European Charter. Local authority remains the preserve of executive bodies, which means that the municipalities are deprived of real financial resources. The government and legislative body adopt decisions on municipalities, with which the municipalities themselves often disagree. Agayev noted that while the government adopts decisions on municipal capacity, in reality it fails to accord them these powers. For instance, the President signed a decree to allocate 100 million manats to the municipalities for road repair. In accordance with the law on status of municipalities, municipalities should be directly engaged in the repair of roads in the villages. Members of the National Assembly Vahid Ahmadov and Fazail Agamala said that municipalities in Azerbaijan exist as formalities. The executive powers of city and region appoint the members of municipal leadership. The alliance proposed a law on the status of Baku city in accordance with the requirements and the recommendations on local and regional municipalities of the Congress of European Council. Real Movement co-founder Ilgar Mammadov proposed that the 2013 presidential elections should also include the election of Baku mayor.